All right, we are at the Drury Inn. We're in Columbia, Missouri. This is the one off of Stadium Drive. So we just got in. This is the bathroom. It's actually quite large. So it's got the shampoo and stuff up on the wall. So we just got one free face soap. All right. And then, so I actually did get us a 2-room suite. So this first room, Haley, hey, has a couch that I'm pretty sure pulls out into the bed. Haley already said she's gonna sleep out here. And then we have the TV. I'm assuming this is a fridge in there. Oh, we have a microwave and a fridge. I guess we could buy you popcorn at Target. So I got a microwave and a fridge. So let's see what this is. All right, this is just a closet with some extra blankets and an ironing board. And this is our view. So we actually are right across from a mall. So we're gonna go over to the mall in a couple minutes.
I don't know, it's like one room has the bed and the other room has like the couch and the TV.
And this is where the bed is. This is the second room. It's a little hot in here, so I'm going to turn the AC on. It's very nice. I'm very happy with this. So we're going to be here for 3 days while Haley takes a lifeguard class. So this will be a nice room to hang out in. Okay, so I just turned this room, it was on actually heat. So I just changed that to cool. I don't know why. Yeah, we're trying to get that lowered. I don't know why that was on heat. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, this one's on heat also. Let's get these. We'll turn it up later. What do you think, 68 to start? And then we'll change it later. It's really weird. Why would they have it on heat? I guess maybe someone thought it was cold. Okay. Hopefully by the time we get back. Oh, there's a mirror there. Hey. By the time we get back from the mall, hopefully it'll be warmer. Or I'm sorry, cooler. Alright. Let's see if this is a bed. I'm pretty sure this is a bed, but let's double check. Oh yeah, that's a pull-out bed. So you want to sleep on this instead of with me?
Yes.
Okay. All right, well, we're going to move everything around and then we're going to go over to the mall. But I'm very happy with this room. And then Drury has free breakfast in the morning and then free appetizers. The free appetizers are going right now, but we're not going to do that tonight because I told Haley we could eat at the food court at the mall. So we're going to check out the mall first and then we'll do the appetizers tomorrow night. All right, here's the free breakfast. Eggs, biscuits, gravy, donuts, milk and syrup over there, and you can make your own waffle. Oh, they have oat milk. Yogurt. Okay, hard-boiled eggs. I missed the hard-boiled egg. Alright, so here's the make your own waffle syrup. There's coffee over there. Oh, that's the bar and extra drinks.